Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Congratulations are in order for Tyla after she have surpasses Miriam Makeba with the most Billboard US 100 hits interest, and I can say this is really good for her career. Her career is just booming. Tyla is on a league of her own after 3 of her hit songs entered the Billboard US 100 hits charts. Like, do you understand how big this is? Like, Taylor just started not long, and now here she is celebrating being on the Billboard US 100 hits, actually surpassing Miriam Makeba. Like, this is huge. This is really, really huge. The record was held by Miriam Makeba for the longest time now, and here now Tyla is surpassing her, which is just something else. She actually snatched the record from her with her hit song Chanel, the song that was released not long, and it made some noise on the social media. It was trending on TikTok, so now I'm not really surprised because I knew this was going to happen because the song was all over the place, all over the world, in fact. Yes, all over the world. The whole world was doing the Chanel challenge, and here she is today. Here we are today celebrating her for her best hit song, which is just crazy, which is just crazy because Tyla started her career not long, and now here she is celebrating this big milestone with so many success, which is, it's just something else. It's so unbelievable. Okay, because I think Tyla is one of those South African musicians who have succeeded like this. I mean, in a very short period of time she has surpassed so many people.